Hello and welcome to the HiCAD short clips. In this video I would like to introduce you to the new connection Purlin joint according to DAST PM PQ. The previous steel engineering connections for the Purlin joint have been unified in one common dialog and extended by numerous new setting options. The insertion can be user-defined or with corresponding beams based on a table according to DAST PM or DAST PQ. The DAST guidelines are stored in the HiCAD catalogs and can be selected at any time. The connection will adjust automatically. In the user-defined configuration, the joint can be created with one strap, each on the upper and lower flange, as well as on the web, whereby all straps as well as the corresponding boltings can be set separately. The geometry of the connection can be configured as desired. Numerous parameters and transparent images are available for this purpose. This allows the HiCAD user to make the correct settings quickly and precisely. The preview button in the dialog allows the result to be checked at any time. In this way, both the strap dimensions and the hole patterns can be changed and adjusted quickly and precisely. All straps of the joint can be configured separately and edited as desired. U-profiles, flat steels or steel plates are possible as straps. The user configuration created in this way can be saved at any time as a favorite for later use. That was the brief overview of the new connection Purlin joint according to DAST PM PQ. Thanks for watching. See you soon.